Okay. Okay, hey everybody. I'm alive. Oh, okay, guys. I'm like, you see the life? You see it? I'm alive. Guys, you guys see me? Oh, still see me. Guys, do you guys hear me? End of the chat. Can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me in the chat? I see two eyes. People is here. Can you guys hear me? Okay, I see three people. Guys, look at the chat. Can you guys hear me? Can you hear me, guys? Can you hear me? Can you guys hear me? Hello? Can you guys hear me? Okay, hi Irby. How you doing? How you doing, Irby? I'm doing good. Irby, I'm doing good, Irby. I'm doing good. I'm doing good. This I'm doing good. This lab about people, police, Blasian people, and we're gonna talk about Asian hate. Guys want to join the panel, the chat in here. Guess the chat? Let's see. You guys want to what I see on YouTube, see over social media, people have to police Blasian people out the race we're not mixing up this or that. Let the police say, oh, we're not Blasian. Why you say we're Blasian, this or that? They talk shit about Asian hate. You know, Asian hate is a real thing. Asian hate is a real thing. You know, states Asian get attacked, California Asian get attacked. Europe, Asia get attacked. In the Caribbean, some part of the Caribbean island, Asia get attacked. Africa, some part Africa, Asia get attacked. Australia, some Asia people get attacked. Asia hate is a real thing. Yeah. If you want to let the comments say, oh, why you talking so bready? This is a thing I'm blazing. Able to have an Indian great parents, one Indian great parent, one Chinese great parents, one Korean great parents. To me, you have a Asian great parents. You will have Indian grandma, Indian grandfather. Chinese grandma, Chinese grandpa, your both your parents are Blasian, you still Blasian today. So this, oh, you say, oh, Asian people African. This is false also. Indian people all over Asia don't have no African DNA or Kushan DNA. They don't have that. There's some whole black people on some parts just means that Asian have Kushan DNA, African DNA is false. It's definitely false. But Asian is very diverse. A huge diverse. Because the Asian have darker skin doesn't mean they're black. They're not black. Like people say Polynesians are mixed race. Polynesians are not mixed. They're close more related to Asian people. Southeast Asian people might be from Southeast Asia to Pacific Islanders. They were Polynesian. They migrate from Southeast Asia to Pacific Islands. That they didn't come from Africa, they come from Southeast Asia. Where we say best best that people always please people that even worth picking and choosing what we are. Exactly. 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 That was police they say, oh, Indian people are black because of darker skin. Or the Asian people are darker skin, they mean they're black. No. In the race in different race have darker skin. That doesn't mean they're black. Either people have lighter skin, less lighter skin. That doesn't make them white. People pick and choose what they like to choose. Are you Asian? When you go to the movies, go to a bar, they say, "Oh, they're a privilege. That's because they have a mixed background." When the person got famous, what the person was before the company say, "You guys are black. You guys are black. Be proud to be black." La 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 la. When motherfuckers become famous, you go tell them they're not black enough. They love to pick shoes who are black or who are not black. They love to shoot. They love pick and shoes. Pick and shoes. And some people do comments and why you talk about black people in Asian campaign. First off, do you have an Asian? Once again, my YouTube channel, my YouTube channel is Asian people have one black parent and one Asian parent who had the both Blasian parent. One of the parents of black and Asian, or the parents black and Asian, who have one black parent or one Asian parent. So be welcome to my channel. Okay, give me a second. Everyone get mad. Go leave like a little comment. Say why you talk about black people. Oh, this. Once again, this page is for Blasian. We have the Asian grandparent, both black parent, or one Asian parent, one black parent, to be classified as Blasians. Okay, my channels is for the Blasian people, the different kind of Asian people. What means African man or Korean, black or Lebanese, black or Indian, black or Pakistani. That is Blasian. Blasian is a big, huge continent. Yes, you want to say something, the chat? Don't join the panel. You guys see the link? Yeah, yeah, people, yeah, people pick issues. Which parents are obliging? What the person become famous? They say they're not black enough. What person was not famous? They say they're black enough. Or bully them. Or we call it self-hater. We not talk about Blasisn, we also talk about most people don't know. Blasian means black and Asian. Black and Asian mix. Blasian means claim both sides. Black and Asian means to claim both sides. Okay? She this stuff to do this. She needs to stop. Google wishes. It's on Google. Blasian means black and Asian mix. Black and Asian. It's on Google. Blasian means claim black side and your Asian side. What the word means. Okay? Yes, the link. Well, if there's some of white people who want to the Asian cause the first people days are white people or the black people. So the first black people first black African in age were black. No, there was false. Big false. And disrespectful. You guys same black people complain that culture was that said this culture should take the braids. Oh, that's a cultural appropriation, my culture. What you do to other people culture, the Asian culture, now you tell you will be racist because if okay, it's kinda hypocritical. The panel is here. Just want to join. Is he? Okay. Oh yeah, guys. I'm gonna say what to say. Guys, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. Think I want to get a thousand subs. I want to get a thousand subs, 2,000 subs to a million subs. And hit the like button, okay? And leave the comments also. Also leave the comments. There'll be people have Asian Nicki Minaj calling Blasian when she look at her cliches. Yeah, yeah. That please Nicki Minaj so bad. I love a lot of people in the comment argue with me over Nicki Minaj. You clearly see she's blazing. Her eyes shade, her features, her head touch. You clearly see it's blazing. If you see her music video, her interview, she said she mixed with Cherdaian, she mixed with Indian, she mixed with Chinese, and she have grand grandpa with Japanese. Both her parents, her mom, her dad are Blasians. Blasian have no typical look. The Asian look mixed, you can tell. The Blasian look more black passing. The Blasian look more black passing, Asian passing. They look like the Eastern Blasian, you can tell they're mixed with Asian. Asian kind of is straight. It's like other mixed people. Blasian color has Blasian, I don't know, typical like the black passing Blasians. The Asian people look more Asian. The Asian people, sorry. The Blasian look Asian passing. The Blasian look typical black. The other Blasian that look mixed. Blasian have a typical look. They don't. Even to the grandparents, the Blasian, most of the time it's still from MG. Most Blasian is 75% African if they have one Blasian parent, or their grandparents were Asian. Like Terry's back for Nemi Kimber, or like 35% African, 25% Asian. They to be mixed because Blasian do not have much white in them. That's what NG have a lot of white in them. We don't. Most Blasian is found in Caribbean islands. Most of the time, the Caribbean African is for Asian people. Most of the time. That's why Blasian becomes 75% African and 25% Asian, even though if the one parents are Blasians. If we do take back for Nicki Minaj, Foxy Brown, people get upset with him for Foxy Brown. She said she Blasian. She's her mom Chinese from Trinidad. Her dad's black and Indian. Douglas. She's Blasian. Chile, people get upset about come over Chile. Her dad is Bengali, her mom is African American. She is also Blasian. If you want to get upset over people want to talk about Asian, they'll talk about this Indian or fake Indian because I like this scene. They'll tell the Indian people, oh, you're not Indian because a lot of times in India was this and that, culture Korean or the Asian culture. And some of the fake Blasians get to they're not Blasian. The grandparents were black, their parents are black, the great grandparents were black. They also Blasian fish, so there are a lot of Asian Blasian fishes. During his school, he go to like the different Caribbean islands. During his school, Malagasy, Blasian in Africa, Blasian in Caribbean during his school. The Douglas history, the Black Indian history, the Black other type of Asian history. The Blasians have one Asian grandparent on one well, their parents are Blasian and one parent are black. Or have two Blasian parents. Um, through the history. Oh, they did. Do same thing with Papa Baba kids of Yana. And knowing about my mother and Rihanna's grandmother. Exactly. Exactly. But I do expect to. And knowing their grandparents. The non-black grandparents. So so this her so the her non-grandparent was not like, even though they seated her 100 times, I think Rihanna seated her a lot of times to her Irish grandma 100 times because she in the Caribbean Islands. She moves to her father's side family all the time. So her non so her Irish grandma not so whether it's black by your own nor her grandmother, ridiculous. Always so people are ridiculous. And Obama kids. Yeah, they do Obama kids so he's not even though his mother they died before the kid was born, but they're still in the bloodline. Like they're still in the bloodline. They are mixed also. You have non-black grandparents, Asian grandparents, white grandparents, and on top of race of grandparents, you still mix. If you want to get still, but only one will say this. Most African American, most black Caribbeans are not mixed. That mostly be the mostly came at 80 to 99% African DNA. Not 75 that don't make no sense. You 75% African, 20% non-black, you'll go have a non-black grandparents. Most African American don't. Most most African American, most black Caribbean don't have no non-black grandparents. They don't. They don't. They don't. Yeah, I also I wanted to say Kevin Nami Kim is Blaze because she has Chinese grandma. I want to say that her grandma is Chinese. I could claim her as Blaze. I want to claim her as Blaze. And take respectful of a Chinese grandma. Justice got Indian grandma. Nicki Minaj have Indian grandfather. And a Blasian grandfather. Blasian great and Japanese grandfather somewhere. After white to claim them as Blasian. That's my right. You guys don't like it? Leave my channel. My channel is about black people. My channel is for the Blasians. I say that 100 times. Ellen, wait, I was wait, Hossein. Okay. Ellen, a Blasian sister. You wanna join? Okay. You wanna join? Yeah, I'm here. Yeah, I'm here. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? I'm here. Yes, I'm here. Yes, I'm here. This is me. Yeah, I'm here. You want to join? Can you hear me, Lynn? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Hi, Shaka. Hey. Okay, yes, I'm here. I'm here. Can someone join? Talk about this topic. I think I have to lot talk to this topic. Okay, okay, this okay. This okay. This okay. I'm gonna link that. The pin link links is somebody. Someone else. Be quick. you see me now? I still am. I'm serious. Why can't I see the comment? Yeah, YouTube tries it. YouTube, yeah, YouTube tried. They kicked me out. Well, I tried to send the link. They kicked me out. Yeah, they did. They did. YouTube, yeah, Jamia booed me. Yeah, they did. I'm back. I'm back. Yes, yeah. Let me see the link. Let, I did up this down. Let me see the link to you later. I guess the link. Um, okay. This one's it. It's very strange how many people always respect their grandparents, but comes to non-black girls, it's you just want to hold on. It's you just want to hold on. Yeah, people, yeah. People see it strange say, how you call mix? You look 25. You're mostly black. I would say, you and hey, guys, you have an Asian grandparent? Don't listen to him. You still blazing. You still mixing the day. You still mix. People involve mixed people they don't come from Mr. Miss Mix and match grandparents. It's weird. Yeah, it's weird. Yeah, it's weird. Some black people, some other people, black, white, Asian, monoracial people, let act like their grandparent don't exist. If their grandparent exist, it's the mix. You have non-black grandparents, you still have, you don't have no monoracial experience. You have mixed experience. No monoracial experience. You have mixed experience. They curse some common and African guy, some black, even though and Nikki are the same thing. There is festival in this. Yeah, is it? Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. They love each other, Blasian people, other mixed people, Asian other mixed people. I have darker skin, but I have the curly hair more, little bit more body features. They say, oh, you guys are black. Look how your skin color. You guys are black. But the light skin mixed people, they gonna say, even have a non-black grandparents, they see it as mixed. I personally have never spent non-black American time not blazing enough. If the Korean don't do that. True, but they have to make non-mixed people have the same experience. My experience is your experience is every mixed experience is all mixed people have different experience. My experience is kind of different. Who cares about fish? There are bakeries or non-black salmon. They separate their moderation and they is standing between their moderation. But that's true. So that's also true. So they did. They did. They caught the Brazilian model Andrea Lama as a black woman. She don't even look black. She look more white. But her dad is mulatto, but her mom white. And she looks like 70%. I don't know what's an answer. Like 50% white and 25% Asian, 20% black. They were kind of white. Wow. What happened? What happened? You say you call it out someone who be police station dating. So, what happened? You say you were calling out somebody about police station dating. They're gonna be saying, if we cut it out, they'll be saying, you cut it, they'll be saying, oh, oh my gosh, you guys are racist. La la la, you guys are racist. La la la. Why you guys calling me out for the? Why you guys calling me out? Uh, you guys need a therapy. You guys need a therapy. That happened to me. Well, on TikTok, that to other mixed people. That when we called it out, they go start saying we need therapy, we need therapy, we need therapy. Oh yeah, she's 20 for therapy. Yeah, she is. Yeah. Did she put age in? She like multiple, at least 25, 25, 25. 12% black, 20% Asian, and 50%. And yeah. Bye, Irby. Have a great day. Okay, don't forget hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Um, I don't know. I feel America is one a Mexican lady called me ways to call her get Mexican, but she won't. Wow, but hey, wow, they would do that. Let me tell you something. If you have biracial kids, they are mixed. They're still mixed. Why you look at your Mexican black? You act like your kids is black, but although his Mexican lyrics, that's so sad. That is it. That's what have power. People have biracial kids. You have biracial kids. Teach your kids how to be both, like claim both. Mm. Which is weird AF. Yeah, it is. I came off like she didn't think her kids good enough to partake in masculinity. Honestly, it came off like she had, it kind of is. So kids is so kids so if you gonna take your skin to some people to why your mom look like they said you gonna say what they can go tell it my damn mom is Mexico the kids that oh you are you if you're not Mexican that kids be confused themselves like how the fuck I'm race of calling this what they are exactly her kids mixed her kids by half Mexican half African American but she'll get mad while she get my her kids black kids biracial. Yes, always claim both. Claim one, give it David Quiet is. That happened to me before. Where I could go to school. About cheap up. Yeah, it is. Yeah. I heard that the Houston and a non-black mom. You know, yeah, I don't want to talk about that because I want to talk on black moms versus black fathers. I don't want to talk about yeah. I should go both sides. Black mom do it too. Black fathers do that too. Non-black moms do that too. The moms who not black do that too. Black moms do that too. Black father do that, and non-black father do that. Tell the kids, I guess only black. The the words she has black, and it was false. Well, well, military, that was Indian. People don't know who's black. People can tell who's Indian. Some people can tell who's black. By the feature, they can tell because that they can tell we are mixed. By the moderation, I go, oh my God, when it comes to you, they're gonna shoot you. Mm. I never get stopped at all cops, so I know, but it seems a lot of people are probably complaining about the non-black moms. I don't have no black, I don't have a black or Asian mom. I can relate. Yeah, that's that on social media. And I'm really gonna have it have both sides. I don't know the cause it racist. Oh yeah, that's true. That's true. That's true. That's very true. When it comes to very racist, that are true. Call the other. Yeah, it's very true. The cops it call the racist. Let me check the oh it's hiding again. Yes. Oh my goodness. Back. Go back. Hold up. Copy. Let's see. Data Asia is non-black, non-mixed people always try to say we are exactly. That's about oh that's Asian. Oh no, that's not black. No. You got this and that. No. Let me tell why the fuck we are. We say we mix. We can't say we blaze, we are blazing. The other people say that ever error, this the other error because the other edition is, this the other edition is. That because of mulatto, golden engine, whatever they call it. We say we mix, we are mixed. We're not moderation, we are mixed. Hip hop play, we are mixed. Very copy, copy. You guys, you guys feeling? Yes, you week. Guys like trying. Oh, what's it again, guys? So go say, go over again to remind guys. Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, leave the comments, and share my videos. Everybody can see it. I don't get themselves. Oh, Elaine, where you going? Are you join? It'd be good to join. It'd be good to join. We need to talk. Yeah, please, these people. Well, yeah. Oh yeah, people act like, oh no, if you are non-black parents, you still late to them. You're not gonna let the two black grandparents. You still gonna let the one non-black parents. The lineage, y'all non-black parents, the lineage was to be mixed. The lineage was to be mixed. Y'all non-black grandparents. Okay. No, no, they were not. I'm gonna block. I'm gonna ban you. Time out. And I'm going to give it time. I'm not time for this. No, they don't. You need to look like me. You need to have the curly hair, look like me. Don't know look like you guys. I'm not trying to agree. I don't. See, get what I'm saying? What I'm saying, like, will take people culture. What I guys saying? What I'm saying, Asian person, take your guys' culture, where you get block braids, you're gonna be angry. But but the Asian people do the same thing. You gotta really say culture parent. No, any people were not black. Asian people are not black. It doesn't really close relate to black people. Any people light skinny, dark skinny, more closely related to each other than other initial common ancestors. Okay, any people share common ancestors with each other. Don't give you a time out. I'm out. Do this with the poor. Mm-mm. I'm not gonna do it with the poor black. I'm not gonna do it with the poor white. Take people culture. Just a poor Asian. Everybody. Oh hey, Irby. How you doing, Irby? How you day going? Why is it Blasian police? Because you say I'm not mixed. It's Blasian. It's mixed police about the race. Just because the person have darker skin does not mean they're black. Does not mean they are black. That's their Asian. It's their Indian. It's their Chinese. It's the Asian. There's light skin Asian in Asia. They don't make them white. They can still make them Asian. It's light skin European over there. That make them they're light skin European. They're also tan their skin darker than what some Europeans call darker skin Europeans. Are they fucking black? No, they are not. They're still Europeans. Same thing with Africa, Oba tribes, Kushan, all this light skin tribe in Africa. Are you gonna tell me they're white? No, no. Because they stupid say they're fucking white. They're not fucking white. They're still African. Or Alma, you want to join? You want to join Alma? Oh, Alma, you want to join? The link over there. Yeah, there's the same black tone, the same black in the video say Asia have African DNA. But you say we mix with African like Goshan's, but you say the culture don't have Asian DNA, but we have African DNA. We share the African. No, don't do that. No, Asian people have African. The culture and the tribe in South Africa don't have Asian DNA. Except the Asian people in Asia, we don't have. They don't. No, they don't have no African DNA. It's all mixed with black and Asian, black Melanesians, black Polynesian, mixed with black and dark skin Asian. They still mixed. They still biracial. Okay. Yeah. Her being lying to you, you get banned. No, my God, just I ban you. He be lying. I ban you because I'm not sitting here telling me, oh, where's you know Asia or black? Where's your Chinese be or black? No, they were not. It's the Chinese. It's the Indians. Don't do that. You know what I think? This is why you most likely you will see darker skin mixed people. That's can bleach people on the British shit up. Oh, everyone is black. Everybody is black. La 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 la. Don't do that. I'm not here for it. You want to join the panel, You want to join the link in the chat? Delete my chats. It's one. You can see two people in the chat. That's a great. I have 170 subscribers. Two, three people. That's my live stream. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. 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 I'm on cool. Yeah, what most people do. See dark skin mixed people. One, you see the one dark skin Asian, if they have dark skin Asian parents and one dark skin black parents, they go say you guys black. Look at you guys, look at them. They are black. No, they're still mixed. Even the Asian parent darker skin, they still mixed. Okay? They still mixed. They still mixed. If you get like Hebrew Israelite, ho- the Nazi and the Aryan Nazi, the Hebrew Israelite, they go get kicked out of my day school. Man, do this. Everybody were white. Everybody were Caucasian. Everybody were African. Everybody were black. No, you guys go get kicked out of my YouTube channel. No, no. There's some more question for me. Oh yeah, that type of celebrity. Yeah, people get mad with celebrities over Nicki Minaj, Naomi Campbell, Foxy Brown, Tyler Bedford, Big Eye Clarence Blasians. How what people in the people see this? You want in the comment, might use video comment, Big Eye Clarence Blasian. I have white to Clarence Blasian because they are Blasians. They have an Asian grandparents. You hear me? You hear me? Okay. Okay. Once again, my YouTube channel is for Blasian people. But the other, yeah, other ways to make speak enjoy. Black girl make speaking. Let's try to talk about it. They can enjoy. But this, my YouTube channel is for the Blasian people. Either one Asian grandparents and one black parent. Hey, dude. Hey, Marcus. 912. How you doing? How you doing? Did they have to take your mom? Did they have to take your mom? Your mom? Did they have to take you? Wait, let me see you. Let me see you. No, this is a troll. Okay. You're not where Marcus 912. You're a troll. Right? Yeah, it's a troll. No. I want to join. Are you sure? Because with your YouTube channel, I was no seeing no videos, no subscribers. Yeah, that's a troll. Yes, Alma, it's a troll. Yeah, it's a troll. Marcus not troll, it's a troll, yeah. Yeah, he's a troll. Like he don't go out, you never see the weird stuff. I never hear all this. Let me check out the channel because on the other channel, Marcus Nitro may have a lot of subscribers. Nitro. Marcus. Oh, he deleted channel. They are funny, listen. 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 Hold up, guys. Okay, okay, it's you. Okay, I was white. Okay, I white thing. It's you. Okay. This is okay to please your channel. Okay, okay, it's you then. Okay, my bad. But I know how a lot of trolls. A lot of them. This going to your joy. Okay. Oh, hold on. Okay, Mac, Mac Cock Night Choice fake channel pretend to me. Okay, gotcha. Okay. Okay, gotcha. Okay, it's really okay. Okay, let me back on the topic. Let me go back on the topic. Yeah. Moderation like the police makes people by the race. Police, they like the police Blasian the most because they have blades. Well, blades are diverse, but the other blades have darker skin because Mr. the dark skin Asian person. So we're not Blasian, this or that. Always say in the those say that blade dark skin HP were bladders and then damn fox. They were all still Asian and they're not black, they're still Asian. Power is half Mexican and Jamaican and Jamaican. Okay, nice, nice, nice mix. Okay, nice, nice mix. Mm, yeah, yeah. I'm gonna say to my haters, keeping a comment. Uh, you not gonna let my opinion. Don't fuck your opinion because I claim you say favorite celebrity as mixed because of the Asian grandparents. One of my YouTube is my YouTube channel is for the Blasian people. For the Blasian people. Have a black Asian parent, black parent, one Asian parent, or one Asian grandparent, or both mixed Blasian parents. My YouTube channel is okay. My YouTube channel now for moderation, white, for black white, maybe some Asian people, or we bring some black people because I'm part black, part Asian, or we bring you know, issues because I'm part of them. But I'm gonna say again, this is my YouTube channel. It's not for moderation. My YouTube channel is not for moderation. Listen, guys, I like my sis. I should get more views. Guys, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, leave the comment, and share this live stream. It'll be good. Oh, the society ad comment. I'm going to talk about something and comment. I never say black people can have slitty eyes. Yes, they do. Black people can have slitty eyes. Same in Asia. Asian people diverse. Asian people very diverse. Same in Africa. Africa diverse people. Asian diverse people. The Asian we have big eyes and slinty eyes. Straight hair, baby hair. Black hair, blonde hair. White passing, typical Asian passing. And you see like the other Asian people like more tropical, like ultra people, manga, look more Blasian people, look more, just look a little more Melanesians and Australians than Disney people in Australia. I want each. I will give to you if I'm about this live stream. You give to you if I'm. I'm gonna give you for a second, guys. Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, share this live stream. I wish I could get more subs, more subscribers, more views, more comments. Oh, come on, guys. Make your favorite Blasian proud. Hit the like, guys. Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, share this live stream. Really good. Guys, want to try the panel talk about this topic? And I hope you enjoy later on. Lynn gone. The ship took care of something. Lynn's gone. He is market is 6 likes now. Let me see. Hey, thanks guys. Give me a 20 likes, 60 likes. Give me more likes. Oh, give me more likes. Two people. I'm sorry guys, I'm tired. Just want to join the rest me. Okay. Guys, so yeah, let me talk about Asia. Did I talk about it? I mean, I'm gonna keep talking about more people coming. Okay. If you keep saying Asian hate is not real thing, so you won't keep, I'll go block that person. Because Asian hate is a real thing. It's like Asian attack. Yeah. Hey, hey, Cashwell, how you doing? How you day going, Cashwell? How you day going? How you day going, Cashwell? Thank you for stopping by. This my long live stream be done. I've been left it for a long time. I've been left stream for a long time. Yeah, one time I didn't watch stream. I'm not really YouTube that much. Mm, See, that's why I hate go like custom form goalie. Watch it talk. I don't want to the rest. Yeah, guys. Oh, guys. Let's talk about. Yeah, let me talk about Blasian fiction. There, people pretend to be Blasians. A lot of them pretend to be because you have a great pop from the past where Asian doesn't make you Blasian. Just because you're 6%, 5%, 4%, 0.%, 10% Asian, not Blasian. Your moderation. Um, Maybe used to be 25% Asian. Nothing. That was was 35, 25, 35, 40% Asian. 25 to 49% is still Blasian. But 15, 20, 15, 20, 10, 5, 6, 1% Asian, you're not Blasian. You're moderation. They wear that eyeliner. Make out the Muslim turn. Your eyeliner. I was like, I'm Blasian. Look at my eye, guys. I'm Blasian. No, it's an eyeliner. Not Blasian. It's an eyeliner. Hello. I hate that you do that. Pretend to be mixed Blasians. To me, you have to be 25% and 35, 25 through 49% ages to classify the agents. Just because you put eyeliner, make it look smaller, get a little bit no jobs, tell you're blazing when you're not. There's a some hate. I'm telling you that. It's really some hate. Just want to love you. You can talk about it. Just want to talk about it. Oh, guys, guess new, guess here. I got one right, guys. I think two new people watching. Guys, watch this video. So, you guys will watch it. Guys, subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button. First, yeah. Subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button. Leave the comments and share this live. Yeah. Mm, What we talk about? We talk about. Well, you talk a lot of stuff. We talk about. Let me see what will come in. Oh, Jonah Peno. I'm gonna see if you can Jonah Peno. Let me see if both people can Jonah Peno. Let me talk about Roma people. There's no Roma Egyptian. The one people come from your main people come from India, migrate to Europe. That's a long time ago. They're still Indian these days. They don't make. They're still Indian. Roma people. Yeah, people say Asia hate do. It's easier to do. In Europe, the Roma people who are Indian, the Roma people get attacked a lot. In America, they usually get attacked like a lot. A lot. America, Europe, some part of the Caribbean, some part in Africa, and Australia, different countries, the HGB get attacked. It's a real thing. The thing that come through has just step HGA with different. Has just step HGA. Yeah, he did that. Is it? Maybe kids from you guys can show my pain out. Okay, guys, you guys can show my pain out. Well, three people, yeah, okay. Guys, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button first, then subscribe to my channel, then leave the comment for what you done. Leave the comment. Each shit is left to me. Hmm. People say, yeah, West is West bad in Asia? Yes. West is huge bad in Asia. Why do I act like the other people attack HP? It's a both sides. All the Kirby can raise. Even races, even different type of race can be racist. They can be racist their own kind. That's what I'm trying to find out. Let's see. Listen, give me a second. Give me a second to problem or something like that. I like, hey, on. Okay, let me see. Give me a second. Let me see. Oh yeah, you want to talk about? Give me a second. Just give some. I'm sorry, it's just so quiet here. Give me a second. Give me a second. Guys, you know, I think. Let me see what will come. Let me see what will come. Let me see. Give me a second, guys. Give me a second, guys. Give me a second. Give me a second. Okay, let's see what can become the panel. But they have no more topic. Is someone join to talk about this topic? It'd be good to join. Hmm, this one's okay, guys. Can I want you know the panel? Talk about this topic. Hmm, wait, let's read my panel. Okay, guys. I think I'll end this live stream. The no fun go join. Talk about this topic. Okay, guys. Got to go now. Subscribe to. I'm going to say once again. You can open one join the panel. I think it would be good time to real with the Blasian people, but no banner on join. Yeah, I was. I'm tired. I'm leaving. Bye, guys. Hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment. It should have left you. See you guys. Well, peace out. Peace out. Bye.